in Midland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Borden County in western Texas, northeastern Martin County in western Texas, northwestern Howard County in western Texas, southeastern Dawson County in western Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Time. At 6:33 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Luther, or 14 miles east of Ackley, moving northwest at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ackley, Luther, and Vielmer. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.